Hello and welcome to AI Basics. This video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a playlist on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open any type of browser you have on your PC and then open suno.com. After that, you need to sign into your account and you will see this type of interface. If you don't have your Suno AI account, don't you worry because you can create your account quite easily. After you sign into your account, you will see your profile over here. You will see your followed accounts from here, so I'm going to teach it to you. So you can see this is the option over here to create a playlist. Just go ahead and click on this icon which is here on the three dots. So you can go to any profile over here or choose any public artist and then click on their settings option, which is the three dot icon, and you can see add to playlist. Go ahead and click on it, then click on create playlist. As you don't have any playlist to add this song to, you can see the create playlist option. Let's go ahead and create our first playlist. After you click on it, you can see it has been named Untitled Playlist. So you can see that this has been added to your Untitled playlist. If you go to your library, you can see the playlist over here. So right beside songs is a playlist. You can find your Untitled playlist over here. So if you want to edit it, you can see this three dots option, go to edit details, and you can name the playlist as well. After you name it, you can describe it and click on save. So you can see the playlist name and description over here quite easily, and it has been changed. Now I'm gonna add some of the songs over here to the playlist which I just created. Click on the three dots to the song which you want to add to the playlist and click on add playlist right here. So after you do this, you can either create a new playlist or you can add it to the playlist which you just created. So this is how easy it is to create a playlist on Suno AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.